Modern cars aren't just machines anymore, they're computer on wheels with more than 100 plus ECUs, OT updates, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and cloud connectivity. Convenience increases, but so does the cyber attack surfaces. Many of the car manufacturers believe that having the AES or RSA encryption algorithms via software libraries like OpenSSL inside the automotive ECUs is enough. But in reality, it isn't. Why? Because cryptographic keys, which are used to secure the communication between two ECUs, are stored in flash memory on using the crypto software libraries. And these crypto keys can be extracted by the hacker so that they can modify the firmware inside the ECUs or inject the malicious code. And the automotive ECUs are cyber attacked. That is why vehicles needed HSM, hardware security module. It's a dedicated hardware security subsystem inside the automotive ECUs. Automotive microcontrollers like that of NXP Semiconductors S32K344 have the inbuilt HSM hardware security module to provide the hardware level cryptography and protect the crypto keys from getting leaked. And this isn't optional anymore. From 2027-2028 in India, automotive cybersecurity standards like AS 189 and ISO 21434 is going to be mandatory, which requires the car manufacturers to make the automotive ECUs cybersecurity protected and the cyber proof. And that's why Gettobyte Technologies will be hosting a live webinar on how to secure the automotive ECUs using the HSM modules. And we are going to cover the topics like embedded security versus cryptography, semiconductor chips that are used in the ECUs for the protection from cyber attacks, MCUs having the HSM for building your next level of ECUs, and how HSM enable the car manufacturers to get the cybersecurity standards like of AS 189 and ISO 214. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description to get subscribed to this live webinar.